You will never be respected if you constantly do these 5 things. Hey there, I'm Stoicism Glow. Welcome back. Respect isn't handed out, it's forged, quiet-like, in how you roll. When no one's looking, the world doesn't coddle weakness, it stomps it. Feeling ignored, brushed off, small? Something's leaking your power. 5 habits sap your grit, dim your shine, make you a ghost to others. Ditch them and watch the room shift. Your strength won't be ignored. Let's rip into these. Ready to level up? Here we go. Respect's a quiet beast. You earn it through spine, not noise. It's not about begging or barking. It's how you stand when the spotlight's off. Slip into these 5 traps, and you're handing folks a free pass to overlook you. They're poisons, eating your edge, clouding your head, shrinking your shadow. Cut 'em loose, and you're not just seen, you're felt. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca laid the blueprint. Own yourself, or the world won't. Let's break down these respect killers and flip the script. First up, chasing nods. A guy fishing for likes screams soft. You know the type, laughs too loud, nods too fast, terrified of a cold shoulder. He's lost, drowning in please like me. Marcus Aurelius nailed it. We love ourselves but crave their cheers. Wild, right? Who's your compass, crowds or your core? A respected man doesn't grovel. He walks sure, rooted deep. Next time you're itching for a pat, pause. Do I need this? Drop the hunt. Your steal's enough. That's when eyes turn. Number 2. Emotional chaos. A guy who's all flare-ups and freeze-ups. He's a puppet. Anger snaps, fear stalls, doubt folds him. Epictetus cut through. You're free when you run you. Respect skips the guy who's a slave to his feels. Steady wins. Respond, don't react. Blow up brewing. Breathe. Hold. Stoic cools your crown. Wear it. Next trigger, think, I steer this. Master that, and your power's loud. No tantrum needed. 3. Excuse central. Weak dudes point fingers. Life's fault, past sucks, they did me. Strong ones own it. Seneca hit it. We don't dare, so it's hard, not the other way. Whining's a shackle, every but drags you down. World doesn't care, why should it? Respect's for the guy who says, my mess, my fix. Next flop, skip the sob, what's my move? Rise or cry, only one's got juice. 4. Coasting kills. Settle into good enough, and you're toast. Growth's oxygen, stop, and respect fades. Marcus Aurelius said, what blocks you pushes you. Comfort's a trap, fear of falling or flying keeps you stuck. Mediocrity's quiet rot eats your fire. A respected man grinds, edges sharper, limits stretched. Next easy road, ask, am I stalling? Push, sweat. Grow, that's your forge. Stagnant's invisible, motion's magnetic. 5. All yap, no snap. Big talkers, I'll do this, I'm that, with zilch to show? Empty. Heraclitus dropped, character's fate, not your chatter. Boast without proof, and your noise, folks. Tune out. Respect's in the doing, build it, don't blab it. Next grand plan, hush, show, don't tell. Actions roar, words whisper. Deliver and they'll listen, no hype required. There's your 5, validation junkie, emotional mess, excuse machine, lazy settler, loudmouth. Their respect's kryptonite. Ditch 'em, and you're not begging, you're commanding. Stoics knew, silence, grit, deeds, that's your ticket. Start now, pick one, kill it. Feel this? Subscribe, we're forging more. Drop a comment, which you cutting? Share it, someone's slipping too. You're built for this, act like it. Catch you next time.